I want to acknowledge the short video that I made just about the rich to rich and poor to poor insight, which is bakit daw yung mayaman at mayaman tapos mahirap sa mahirap is kailangan daw combine yun. Bakit daw ganun ang sitwasyon lagi? Kaya nga nasabi ko, it's a vibration, it's an energy na kung ano yung ina-attract mo as a individual, yung mentality natin, the way tayo mag-isip, the way natin mag-put ng standard within ourselves, it's energy and vibration, which is kung ano yung klaseng individual tayo, which is the same pattern din yung na-attract natin ng mga individual. So may nagsasabi bakit mayaman to mayaman, it's a vibration energy based on how the people involved think, or paano nila binugrow yung mentalidad nila. So guys, thank you so much and God bless. Anyway, gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga support sa akin. This is Mixie GC, your Pride's personality. I'm very thankful sa mga supporters ko dito sa YouTube, which is naka 40,000 views na tayo. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. I really appreciate your effort to help me to watch, and at the same time, I hope you learn something from me. You learn something, some insight that might help you to live in a not an easy world, but an easy and challenging life. So it's a challenge talaga, guys. Challenging yung mga sitwasyon, yet be happy all the time and learn to acknowledge the hardship between the battle that we had in this world. So thank you so much, guys, and God bless to all of you. Failure is a part of our journey. Lahat ng bagay, minsan may mga pangarap tayo na gusto matupad, may mga pangarap tayong gusto natin makamit sa buhay, pero dumarating tayo sa punto na ang hirap-hirap kunin, ang hirap-hirap daanan, ang hirap ng journey papunta doon. O kaya naman dumarating pa sa punto na nililihis tayo ng panahon, nililihis tayo ng destiny natin, ng fate natin, at napupunta tayo sa mga bagay na hindi natin inaasahan, yet part of our growing as an individual in this world, in this chaotic world. So failure is part of being alive, part of being human. Kailangan natin magkamali, kailangan tayo magkaroon ng mga ups and downs just to grow, just to learn, and ma-accept natin na meron dapat tayong baguhin within ourselves, within our journey as an individual. So guys, thank you. In life, marami tayong pagdadaanan, marami tayong pagsubok na hinaharap at patuloy na hinaharap. But as a person, lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdadaan natin, mahirap man, madali man yan, yan yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa atin para mag-grow, para mag-improve pa yung knowledge natin within ourselves. So basically, kasama ang problema, hindi siya nawawala. Though sinasabi natin na I hate this, I hate that, I hate everything na nangyari sa buhay natin. But in a simplest way, kailangan natin ng mga bagay na yun, mahirap man, madali man yan ang sitwasyon, kailangan natin para mag-improve tayo, para magkaroon tayo ng dahilan kung bakit napabuhay tayo sa mundo. So basically, life is a journey. Keep walking and don't give up. Everything will be alright at the right time after you grow. Thank you so much.